To practice set question number second. This is the data of the 5th to 8th standard student of one village is given. In the 5th standard, the number of boys are 34, number of girls are 17. In the 6th standard, number of boys are 26, number of girls are 14. In 7th standard, number of girls are 21 and number of boys are 21 and number of girls are 14. In 8th standard, number of boys are 25, number of girls are 20, and according to that you have to draw the subdivided bar graph. Means the number of girls and the boys from 5th to 8th standard in that school is given. According to that you have to draw the subdivided bar graph. So the scale is given. On the y-axis you have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students, and according to that you have to draw the subdivided bar graph. Here, if such a data is given, that time you have to find out the total. Total means number of boys plus number of girls. So 34 plus 17 is equal to 51. This 26 plus 14 is equal to 40. 21 plus 14 is equal to 35. And 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. Means in the 5th standard, total number of students are 51. 6th standard, total number of students are 40. In 7th standard, total number of students are 35. In 8th standard, total number of students are 45. According to that, we have to draw the subdivided bar graph. Here, friends, you have to draw this x dash axis, and this one is the y dash axis. And point of intersection of this both the axis is the origin. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 student, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Here this is in the x axis, you have to take the standard. This one is the 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. Here the total number of students in 5th standard is 51. So I draw this total number of students. This includes girls and boys 51. Total number of girls and boys in the 6th standard is 40. So this one I draw like this 40. Total number of students in the 7th standard is 35. This includes boys and girls 35. And total number of girls and boys means total number of students in 8th standard is 45. So I draw this as 45. After that you have to divide this bar graph into two parts, because number of boys and the number of girls you have to show on that graph. So here in the 5th standard, number of boys are 34. So number of boys are 34. After 30 you have to go to after 30 from the 4th line you have to draw the subdivided bar graph like this. So I will say that this one is 34. I will shade this, and I will say that these are the boys. These are the boys. Means this 34 are the boys. At that time, this remaining 17 are the girls. Then here 6th standard, the number of boys are 26. Out of 40, 26 are the boys. So after 20 you have to go from the 6th line, you have to draw the subdivided bar graph like this, and you have to shade it. So I will say that this one is 26 are the boys, because I already wrote the scale that on the y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Shaded portions shows the boys and the blank portion shows the girls. Here 26 boys and remaining 14 girls. Then here 7th standard, the number of boys are 21. After 20, from the one line you have to draw the subdivided bar graph like this, and you have to shade it. These are the boys, these are the boys, and remaining 14 are the girls. 14 are the girls. Here 8th standard, number of boys are 25. After 20, from the 5th line you have to draw the subdivided bar graph like this. 25 are the boys and remaining are the girls. How many are the girls? 20 are the girls. 20 plus 25 is equal to 45. And in this way you have to draw the subdivided bar graph properly. By the scale you have to draw. These lines you have to draw by scale. Exactly straight lines you have to draw. And in this way you have to draw the subdivided bar graph, and in the graph book you have to complete all these questions properly. Thank you.